Welcome back. In order for us to interact with our Kubernetes cluster, we need to install a command line tool called kubectl. So just down on Google type kubectl download and then you will go to this link. On this link you will have different options which one you want to go for. So click on kubectl Windows and then what will happen is you will be able to get this one. So click here and then you will be able to install this, and this is a command line tool. So what you have to do is wherever you have downloaded this and kept it, you have to give its path in your environment variable so that you can access it from anywhere else. So on your path, edit path, and give the path of the folder where your kubectl.exe exists, and then you say okay, done. Then you can open any command prompt and type the kubectl and it should be recognized in your computer. So let's say I would say cmd kubectl because I have added it the exe path in my users environment variable, so I'm able to now use the kubectl command from anywhere. Otherwise, you have to always go to the folder where the exe exists and you have to use the kubectl from there. So remember to add the path up to the folder. Let's say this is your path. So if you have your kubectl up to here, so you should take this much and put it inside. You should copy this much and put it inside your environment variable. Don't give path up to here. Instead up to this folder. So this is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.